In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the order of videos under your library on your Vimeo account. Organizing your videos can greatly enhance your viewing experience and make content management much more efficient. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you need to visit vimeo.com and log into your account. If you haven't already, make sure you've got your login credentials handy. Once you're logged into your account, you'll want to head over to the library section. You can find the library tab in the menu, typically situated on the top or side navigation bar, depending on your Vimeo interface layout. Clicking on it will redirect you to a collection of all your saved videos. Now that you're in your library, the next step is to click on View List. This action will display your videos in list format, which is essential for organizing them efficiently. Seeing them this way makes it easier to identify the order in which you want your videos to be arranged. Next up, click on the title of the video. This can be any video within your library. By doing this, you gain access to additional options related to sorting and managing your videos. Once that is done, locate and click on Sort By. This step is crucial as it opens up a drop-down menu from which you'll select your preferred method of video arrangement. From the drop-down options, choose how you want to reorder your videos. Vimeo gives you a variety of sorting options to choose from, catering to different preferences. You can choose the option last added to prioritize the most recently uploaded videos. This is particularly useful if you frequently upload new content and want quick access to the latest. Another option is to sort by the duration of the videos. If you select shortest, your videos will arrange starting from the shortest up to the longest. Conversely, selecting longest will arrange them from the longest to the shortest. This is handy when you have videos of varying lengths and need a quick way to access either extreme. Lastly, if you prefer an alphabetical order, you can choose to have your videos arranged by title, either from A to Z or Z to A. This is perfect for those who like a more traditional method of organization or have a large volume of videos that are best navigated through alphabetical sorting. Once you've selected your preferred order, your videos will automatically rearrange to reflect these changes. So whenever you or anyone else accesses your library, they will appear in the order you've set. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to keep your Vimeo library neatly organized. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.